my dick, asshole. You're not even funny, faggot. I'm gonna suck your dick. You like that shit, bitch? Fucking stop copying me. Yeah, that's what I thought, bitch. No. No. Fuck you.
I got an idea.
You just gotta fuck with it.
You gotta have the bird over here.
Come on, that would have been an awesome video.
Look, how does it look when you're on camera?
There's the microphone. No, Casey, you stand here and talk to the bird. Only look at the bird. You can only look at the bird. Do it.
And you're gonna like make it say stuff?
I'm gonna make it say stuff. It's only gonna hear me. I love you more.
No, I